Tired of struggling to get in and out of your truck? That ends today. We're revealing the most rugged, sleek, and game-changing upgrades that will completely transform your Silverado's look and functionality. Forget cheap imitations. We hunted down the elite. This is your ultimate guide to the most aggressive, durable, and downright impressive best running boards for Chevy Silverado. We're breaking down the top contenders that dominate both the road and the trail. Ready to upgrade? Let's dive in. Number 5. Tyger Auto delivers rugged convenience with its 3.5-inch rider running boards. Built specifically for 2019 to 2026 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra Crew Cab models. Crafted from seamless carbon steel and finished in heavy-duty textured black. These Nerf bars resist rust, dirt, and corrosion while adding a sleek off-road look. The oval tube design offers a wider 3.5-inch non-slip step pad, giving passengers greater stability and confidence when entering or exiting the truck. With a 300-pound weight capacity, easy bolt-on installation, included hardware, and a no-hassle 5-year warranty. This set blends durability, style, and practicality in one impressive upgrade. Number 4. YITAMOTOR 6 inches running boards are the perfect upgrade for your 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra Crew Cab and 2020 to 2025 2500 HD/3500 HD. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy with a rust-resistant matte finish. These side step bars ensure long-lasting durability and style. The 6-inch non-slip step pad supports up to 450 pounds, making stepping in and out effortless and safe. Featuring 4 strong brackets per side, they offer unmatched stability and strength. Installation is a breeze with a bolt-on design requiring no drilling, perfectly aligning with factory mounts. The package includes everything needed for a quick, professional setup. Number 3. COMNOVA 6.5 inches running boards are the perfect upgrade for your 2019 to 2026 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra Crew Cab. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with anti-slip plastic steps. These running boards resist corrosion, UV damage, and heavy wear. The 6.5-inch wide honeycomb-shaped steps provide secure footing, making it effortless to get in and out of your truck. Featuring a patented slider design, they allow forward and backward adjustment for a customized fit. Installation is simple with direct bolt-on mounting, no drilling required. Each board supports up to 500 pounds, ensuring both durability and safety for daily use. Number 2. OTHOWE 6.5-inch Chevy Silverado running boards are a perfect blend of style, durability, and functionality. Designed specifically for 2019 to 2026 Silverado and Sierra Crew Cab models. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with anti-slip plastic steps. These boards shine with a polished premium finish while resisting rust and wear. The wide 6.5-inch steps provide ample footroom, ensuring safe and comfortable access for children, elderly, or anyone entering your truck. Supporting up to 500 pounds. The innovative slider design allows easy adjustment during installation, and the included 8 sturdy brackets guarantee stability and long-lasting performance, making your truck both stylish and practical. Number 1. SMANOW running boards are the perfect upgrade for your 2019 to 2026 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra Crew Cab and 2020 to 2026 Silverado/Sierra 2500 HD 3500 HD. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel with a dual-stage textured black powder coating. These side steps deliver unmatched durability and style. The wide 4.7-inch drop step with non-slip tread ensures safe and easy entry and exit, even in wet conditions. Designed to support up to 450 pounds. The 3-inch tube sits close to your truck frame for a sleek, factory-like look. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required. Complete with brackets, hardware, and instructions. In conclusion, finding the best running boards for Chevy Silverado depends on your needs and budget. We've highlighted top picks for style, function, and value to help you decide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share this video to help others.